Living in a vibrant city like Lafayette means enjoying lively streets, convenient amenities, and a thriving local culture. But urban living can also come with one major drawback: excess noise. Whether it's traffic, construction, loud neighbors, or nightlife, unwanted sound can disrupt your comfort at home. Fortunately, noise-reducing windows offer an effective solution for Lafayette homeowners who want to enjoy the benefits of city life without the constant background noise. Here's why noise-reducing windows are a smart, long-lasting investment for urban areas throughout Lafayette. Reducing outside noise for a more peaceful home. Traditional single-pane windows do little to block sound. Noise waves easily pass through the thin glass and gaps around the frame, making your home feel less peaceful. Noise-reducing windows, however, are engineered to minimize sound transfer. They often include double or triple pane glass laminated glass layers insulating gas between panes, tightly sealed frames and sashes. These features work together to significantly reduce outside noise, helping create quieter bedrooms, living areas, and home offices, even in Lafayette's busiest neighborhoods. Improved sleep and daily comfort. Constant noise at night can impact sleep quality, mood, and overall well-being. For Lafayette residents living near high-traffic areas like downtown, noisy intersections, or commercial zones, soundproofing your windows can dramatically improve daily comfort. Noise-reducing windows help reduce nighttime disturbances, improve sleep quality, create a calmer indoor environment, lower stress caused by constant background noise. Families with children, shift workers, or light sleepers notice the difference immediately. Enhanced energy efficiency. Along with sound control, noise-reducing windows are more than just soundproof, they're also highly energy efficient. The same features that block sound also prevent heat transfer, making your home more comfortable through Lafayette's hot, humid summers and mild winters. Energy-saving benefits include lower cooling costs in summer, better retention of heat in winter, reduced strain on HVAC systems, more consistent indoor temperatures. This combined performance means homeowners gain both comfort and long-term savings. Better indoor air quality through tight seals. Urban noise often travels through small gaps in older window frames. Those same gaps also let in dust, pollen, humidity, outdoor odors. Noise-reducing windows are sealed tightly to prevent air leakage, which leads to improved indoor air quality, an important benefit for Lafayette homeowners sensitive to allergens or humidity. Increased home value. In Lafayette's urban market, homes in high-noise areas become more appealing to buyers when they include noise-reducing features. Soundproof windows are seen as a premium upgrade that enhances both comfort and energy efficiency. Installing noise-reducing windows can increase resale value, attract more buyers, help your home stand out in competitive markets, justify a higher asking price. Urban homebuyers appreciate quiet interiors, making this upgrade a smart investment. Modern designs for enhanced curb appeal. You don't have to sacrifice style for quiet. Today's noise-reducing windows come in a variety of modern and classic designs that complement Lafayette's mix of contemporary homes, traditional Southern architecture, and historic neighborhoods. Available styles include double-hung casement, sliding picture awning, bay and bow. Homeowners can enjoy both improved aesthetics and reduced noise. Professional installation ensures maximum noise reduction. Even the best noise-reducing window won't perform properly without expert installation. Precise sealing, frame alignment, and insulation are essential to achieving maximum sound control. Professional installation ensures no gaps for noise to pass through. Tight, secure seals, proper fit for long-term performance, enhanced durability and protection. This guarantees your investment delivers the quiet, comfortable environment you expect. A smarter, quieter way to enjoy urban life in Lafayette. Noise-reducing windows offer a powerful combination of sound control, energy efficiency, better air quality, and improved comfort, perfect for Lafayette's bustling urban areas. Whether you're upgrading for your own peace of mind or preparing your home for resale, soundproof windows deliver benefits that you'll appreciate every single day. If you're ready to create a quieter, more relaxing home environment in the heart of Lafayette, noise-reducing windows are a smart choice you won't regret.